Have you ever wondered how your phone charges or how lights turn on when you flip the switch? The answer lies in voltage, the invisible force that drives electricity through wires, powering your devices. Welcome back to Science Bites. Today, we're diving into voltage and how it keeps the modern world running. So, what exactly is voltage? Voltage is the difference in electric potential between 2 points. It's the force that pushes electric charges through a conductor. Imagine a battery. One end of the battery has a higher electric potential than the other. This difference creates a force that pushes electrons from the higher potential to the lower potential, generating an electric current. Think of it like a water tank. The higher the water level in the tank, the greater the pressure pushing the water through a pipe. Similarly, the greater the voltage, the stronger the force pushing electrons through a wire. The formula for voltage is V/IR, where V is voltage, I is the current, and R is the resistance in the circuit. This is known as Ohm's law. In everyday life, voltage is everywhere. It powers your phone, your computer, your car's electrical system, and even the lights in your home. Without voltage, electrons wouldn't move, and electrical devices wouldn't work. The amount of voltage determines how much power a device receives, which is why different devices need different voltages to operate. Take a phone charger, for example. It operates at a low voltage to safely charge your device. On the other hand, high-voltage power lines transport electricity over long distances to supply homes and businesses. Voltage is carefully regulated to ensure the right amount of power reaches each device. Voltage is the invisible force that powers the devices we use every day. Whether it's charging a phone or keeping a city's lights on, voltage plays a crucial role in making it all happen. Understanding voltage helps us better control and use electricity safely. Next time on, we'll explore electric current and how it flows through a circuit. Stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe for more bite-sized science that makes the universe easier to understand, one concept at a time.